It's a story of a little family that's quite wealthy, quite privileged, refined, artistic. And they live up in old growth forests, like giant old trees, in the mountains on the west coast of North America. And one is a dancer, and one wants to go to a Ivy League school. And they live with their dad. Mom is dead, and the power goes out. I feel like it's very tender and it's difficult, and I like that combination. Ellen Page found the novel, and she brought it to me to write. And she gave me the novel, and I wrote the adaptation, and then we made the movie. Sitges has a very kind of broad concept of film, and some very interesting movies were programmed here, and it's an honor. It's an honor to be part of it. It really is. Yeah.